Okay, hi guys. So this video is about the math game that I was telling you about. So I'm over in the App Store right now. I literally just typed in Monster Math, and this is what my screen pops up for it. There are several different options. One of them is a paid one. I don't use that one. I use this one. I use the top one in the left corner because it is free. So I'm going to put in my arrow to click there. Okay. That's the one that I use because it's the free one. So you can't really see the arrow, can you? All right, just a second. Let's get rid of that, and instead let's draw a box around it. This is the one that I use because it's the free one. So I click on that, and it'll bring me to this. And it says Monster Math, Kids Fun Games. So I'm just going to open it up. And it has this as its screen. I'm going to go out of the, it's asking, do you want to do the longer one? No. So I'm going to go out of that one. I'm also going to go out of the access all content because I don't need that either. So when I am on this, it shows this screen, and I am going to reduce how loud it is because its volume is up pretty high. It has over in this corner, it has the reports on what you worked on, what you spent time on. So we're not going to worry about that one. Over in this corner, it has a person with a pencil. That's where we're going to go. I'm going to click on that one. As you can see, I already set up ones for different grades, but I'm going to, oh wait, sorry. If I want to get rid of it, I have to put in what year I was born as an adult, because only adults are allowed to get rid of them. Sorry, guys. All right, so let me try going down to the new one anyway, because they will let me add in another one, so I'm just not going to worry about the about any of that. So I'm going to go example. Okay, that's going to be my name. And I am going to put example in, let's put example into 3rd grade. All right, then I go and I click on the go button off to the side. And it takes me to the skills that are for 3rd grade. I can go down through them. I can turn skills off. Like let's say that I don't want to do basic addition at all. What I really want to work on is subtraction. So I get rid of the addition, all of the addition, I get rid of the multiplication, I get rid of the division, I get rid of all of that. So the only thing that I have left on here is my subtraction facts. So yes, it says on grade 3, but the only one I have on here is subtraction because that's all I want to work on. So then I'm going to click go. And it is going to take me to the beginning of the story. Now, if you want to go in the story, that's fine. It will take you through various facts inside the story. Each time you progress, it takes a little mini game which has you practicing your facts. So you can totally do just the facts. But over here is something that looks like 2 eyes on sticks looking at each other. That is the pause button. And so I'm going to click on the pause button. Then we have our options. I can start over again. I can continue. I can exit. I can change how loud it is, what the music sounds like, and I can get hints if I'm confused about what's going on. I'm going to click on the exit because I want to show you these other 2. So we have the story there, which is fine. But what I normally use it for is this, the practice that we have over on the right side. And when you look at it, you see that we have a timer. We have how many of them you collected, and we have an enemy. And it's all subtraction, because remember I set only subtraction. So when it did that, come on, pay attention, let's go, it showed me ones that were equal to 1. So I can go over and I can get that one. I can get that one. I can get that one. If I run into this guy, he electrocutes me and puts me back up at the top again. And then I can go and I can collect more and more and more until eventually we run out of ones in the screen that we can do that are equal to 1. And I think I have one more that's equal to 1, and I think that's all of them? No, it says something else is equal to 1. What else is, oh, there we go. He was hiding it. He does that too. So as soon as you finish it, if you still have time left, it moves you on to another one and it asks you more questions. It tends to go up higher if you seem to be doing super well at it, and down lower if you seem to be doing if it seems to be a little hard for you. The other option, I'm once again going to go up to the pause and exit, is down here at split screen. It'll ask you who you want to play against. So I will have, since we were at 3rd grade, I'll have my 3rd grade play against my 3rd grader. It is then supposed to be played with one person looking at the one half, the other person looking at the other half. And I just clicked on random one, so you can see they're both moving on the same screen. The one that I clicked on randomly for the blue ended up being the wrong number, and so it shows you what you did wrong and what it should have been and what it would actually be equal to. All right, and that is pretty much everything in regards to this one. So I will talk to you guys later. Good luck. Bye.